Hi, I'm Ross. Welcome back to Sky Management. On today we have a commercial door closure that is not closing at the proper speed. When the weather changes, it can affect the oil that is in these, and it can cause them to shut faster or slower depending on the weather. So right now we have one that is slamming. So let it go. It's slamming pretty hard. So I'm going to show you how to adjust one of these. To adjust a commercial door closure, there are two screws on the side, and they can be located on either side because these can be mounted either way depending on which way the door swings. So in our case, they're on the right side, and you'll see the S and the L screws here. They can either be a flathead screwdriver on some of the older versions or a Allen wrench like it is on this one. So it takes a 1/8 Allen wrench for the one that we have today. Okay, there are two screws located on the side. One is the S and one is the L. The S is the sweep speed, and that is the 90% of the closure. So from when the door is perpendicular to the wall to where it is 90% of the way shut, that is the S speed. And by tightening that screw, it will slow it down. So if you turn that one to the right, it will slow down the first 90%. The L is the latch speed. So that's that last few inches, just that last 10%, that part right there. If you tighten that one, it'll slow down the latch speed. So you can do either one first. I like to do the sweep speed first because that'll kind of keep it from slamming when we're testing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it one full turn on the sweep speed. And I'm going to let it go, and I'm going to see how bad it slams. That slowed it down quite a bit, but I'm going to go a little bit more. So I'm going to do it one more turn. And then I'm going to try it again. Okay, the door swung pretty slow. I liked it, but it did, when it gets to that last couple inches, it slams it shut a little bit. It needs to shut hard enough to latch the door. In our case, we have a magnetic door, so it doesn't really need to hit hard at all. But if there is a door latch, it needs to hit hard enough to latch, but you don't want it to slam. So I'm going to do one rotation on that L, and we're going to give it a try again and see how it works. Once you have everything adjusted how you think it's going to be correct, you're going to want to open and close it several times and just make sure that it's working like it should. Open it all the way up, let it close, and that's exactly how we want it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.